Let's say you were in a swimming pool and I threw you a beach ball and said, hey, try to keep that underwater. You probably could do that for a while, but what if I threw you 5 more? That would be impossible, right? What's interesting is how many of us are actually living our lives just like that, trying to keep everything hidden so nobody knows, trying to keep our mistakes a secret. Why? Because we're all scared to death that someone's gonna figure out who we really are, and we don't want anybody to know. So we'll end up keeping people at arm's length, and we'll struggle with our own hurts and habits and hangups all by ourselves. And ultimately, it just leads to exhaustion and making us feel like we're all failures. Here's the thing you need to know. There is hope and there is healing. Healing is a choice, and God gives us the solution. We find in the ancient scriptures this nugget of wisdom. God opposes the proud, but he gives grace to the humble. You see, grace is the answer to some of our problems. It's the thing that can heal us. And grace is given not to the perfect or to the confident or to those who have it all figured out, but to those who are humble. And what does it mean to be humble? It's simply admitting that you're powerless to change your past, that you're powerless to control other people, that you're powerless to cope over your own harmful habits, behaviors, and actions. Humility is deciding we can't do this on our own. So just be humble enough to say, I need help. I need to know what God wants, because that's where you begin to discover the beauty of what he wants you to do in your life.